Hey, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today we're going to show you how to fix silent calls on iPhone. To fix silent calls on your iPhone, quickly rule out hardware and basic settings. Step 1. Disable silent mode and check volume. So open settings, sounds and haptics, and ensure silent mode is toggled off. You usually can find this in iPhone 15 or above, right? And later, excuse me. So basically, go ahead and turn off the silent mode. Alternatively, press and hold the action button if you have it assigned to silent or ring. Okay. Models with mute switch, iPhone 14 or older, flip the switch on the left edge of your phone toward the screen so the orange color is hidden. Okay. So again, you can turn up the volume by opening the settings, sounds and haptics, right? And drag the ringer and alert slider to the right. Okay, so next, turn off silence unknown callers. If you're missing calls from numbers not saved in your contacts, your phone may be automatically blocking them. So go ahead to the settings, apps, phone, inside, gonna scroll a bit down to find silence unknown callers. Make sure to turn it off or toggle this feature off. Next, disable focus mode, e.g. do not disrupt, gaming, whatever, right? Active focus profiles can silence incoming calls. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and open the control center. Look at the focus button. If a specific focus like do not disturb is highlighted, tap it to disable it. So like this. Sorry. Right? That means it's turned on. So just click the same linear button to turn it off. Lastly, check Bluetooth devices. Your phone might be ringing, but routing the audio to a connected Bluetooth headset or a speaker that is powered off or muted. So go ahead to the settings, Bluetooth, toggle the Bluetooth off or manually disconnect any connected audio devices to force the ringtone back to your iPhone speakers. So consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel.